What's up, guys? Today we are doing a little bit of action on the Subaru STI limited edition. All I have done to it really is remark axle back and some little diffusers. I just got this new tint. Really can't see anything through it. 5% and then 15, I believe, in the fronts. But today we have this Go Fast Bit blow off valve. I have not watched anything on how to put it on. I'm just gonna full send it and let's just see what we got going on here. But I have an idea of what needs to happen. But I'm gonna switch you over to the tripod and we're gonna get started. So, while that's cooling down, I need to figure out how to get these bolts in. I don't know if I'm being stupid, but apparently, let's see, these bolts right here. I'm gonna have to put you on the tripod. Hold on. I don't know if I'm just stupid or what, but I think I have to take these 3 bolts off because these stock bolts that they give us, this one fits great, but this one, it has this little piece, gets stuck. So I think I need to take these off, go ahead and put it in. I have no clue though. I should probably watch something, but I don't really want to. I want to figure this out. So I feel really weird vlogging with this tripod. I'm gonna set y'all back up. I may just go straight into it even though it's hot and just try to not get burned. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna take those 3 bolts off. But yeah. Again, boom. All right. I think that's the way to do it right there. You gotta take that bolt off. But all right. I guess we should focus on this now. I'll zoom in so everybody can see. But we have 1 bolt, 2 bolts, and a hose that you gotta take off. It looks like. Oh my gosh, how do you oh, okay, you can take that off. Okay, cool. So, I bet that's an 8. 8 or 10. Don't quote me. Oh, it's for sure a 12. Yep, first try. Alright, so we're gonna get those off. Okay, I guess I take the hose off, right? Sure, let's do that. I have no idea what I'm doing. I gotta take this off. Yep, just flex a little bit, see my muscle. Ah! Flex a little bit so I can see. So you can see my muscles, maybe this one too. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Done. I don't even need a blow off valve. I got that. Alright, so I honestly don't want to wait that long. I put some gloves on and we're good to go. I'm gonna switch up to the GoPro. And then we're gonna try to get this off. Somehow. So yeah, dive right back. So right now, 1C, there's a clamp back here. Oh, it's so hot. I don't know if y'all understand. Oh, it's so hot. The motor and out here. I want to pull on something I shouldn't be. Proceeds to pull. That's so hot. What are these? I have no clue. I need to look that up. I have no idea what I'm doing. Ah. Alright, we got this hose on. There we go. So, make sure you can see this. This is stock blow off valve. And we need to get these 2 bolts off right here. We have this separated. That took a while. Sweet. There she is. Let's put this bad thing on now. Everything's still hot. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You're gonna stuck in there. So, I found the bolt. It's in an okay spot to where it can be left right now. I need to get a metal little syringe type deal and get that deep down in there. It's resting on the block though, so I just don't have any tools right now to help me get that. But we're gonna go on and use just the stock bolts that it had. I know it won't look good at all, but for the time being, it'll have to be that way. That just looks stupid. Huh. I did it. I am such a good mechanic. It almost... Wow, amazing. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Amazing. Gasket. Oh, burn myself. I think we got it. Man, oh man. That should not have been that hard. I do have to say so myself. But we did it. And this thing, they're sounding awesome. Alright, let's see how this puppy works. Alright, so the GoPro's dead. We're gonna take this out for a spin. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So this is it. Let me brighten it up for you. This is it. So with the Go Fast bit, if you can see that this is open, and if you twist, it actually can close all the way. Well, we're gonna go 100% open now and see how this bad boy sounds. Oh my God. Listen to this.